Preakness Stakes, just about 24 hours away from Pimlico Race Course in Baltimore. Your Kentucky Derby winner, Nyquist, currently a 3-5 favorite. Exaggerator is his biggest challenger at 3-1. Post time is set for 3:45 tomorrow afternoon. The Rockets are reporting.
In Genesis, these are the generations of this person.
Yes, our family serving yours since 1975.
News Talk 860, JPAM.
State government, local government, the EPA, and you keep reading in small towns and big cities.
家庭有了一个自闭症孩子的时候，生活会是怎样？
Express bus next Friday with round-trip service running from the Gateway Transit Center to Rooster Rock, then to Multnomah Falls.
A great supplement.
This is Business Rockstar. Welcome back. It's Ken Rakowski. This is Business.
Даниила. Но когда мы читаем послание к Ефесянам,